In this video, I'm going to show you how to add wireless devices to an existing system. Let's start by taking a look at our wireless smart switch as compared to our smart switch with Netatmo. Our wireless smart switch is a battery-powered device with no wiring at all. So to get it onto the system, I'm going to show you how to set it up within the Home Plus Control app. Through the Settings menu, we can select Add a Product. We're going to add a Legrand wireless switch. So that's what we're going to select. In this case, we have here an on-off and dimmer switch option. We'll select that. The important thing here is to go over to our gateway. We need our gateway into a solid green. We're going to hold down the easy button for 5 seconds. Make sure that gateway is showing a solid green. Solid green means it's ready to accept new devices onto the network. Remove the battery protector if you haven't already. Next, we need to activate the wireless switch. And to do that, we're going to go over to the wireless switch and we'll just give it a press. Flashing green means it's looking for a gateway. When it does a long green hold, that means it's found the gateway, and then it'll go into off. Once the device has gone into an off, then go back into the app. At this point, we know our gateway is in a solid green, and our wireless device was flashing green, then held a long green, and then went off. We know that our wireless device and our gateway are connected. At this point, the app is communicating with the gateway, getting that information. The app is ready for you to configure your wireless switch. Select which devices you would like your wireless switch to control. Once selected, click Validate. If you'd like to add more wireless devices, you have an option here, or you can complete setup. But these wireless switches are highly configurable. After setup is complete, you can always go back into the settings, into Manage My Home, find the room they're in, and reconfigure what it's controlling. So in this example, I did by controlling a couple loads during initial setup, but let's change our mind. Let's go into Controlled Products. We can simply deselect the devices that were already programmed and select a new device. In this case, let's control a closet light. That way, if I ever leave the closet light on, I have a wireless switch right by my bed to turn that off. These wireless devices are so flexible, they can control different lights in different rooms. Let's set up this wireless switch to control all the lights in the bedroom. I'm going to select all 4 lights and select Validate. That way, when I leave the bedroom, I can just hit that wireless switch in the off position, and then all my lights go off in the room. That way I never leave a light on. And to stay organized, you can always rename your wireless switches. So that way when you're reviewing your room, you know where everything is and what it does. The wireless switches are a great addition and offer a lot of flexibility into your smart home. Please let us know if you have any feedback or questions. Here's our contact information. We'd love to hear from you.